Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In our most important legal maxim series, this is part 7 and the first maxim that we are going to discuss today is actionable per se. This means the very act is punishable and no proof of damage is required. Words or actions that are automatically considered legally harmful and can be the basis for lawsuit without the need to prove additional harm. For example, if anyone accuses a person of stealing without any evidence, it is considered actionable per se. The second legal maxim is actio personalis moritur cum persona. This means a personal right of action dies with the person. In another sense, if he dies, the right to sue is gone. The next maxim today is ante litem mortem. This means before suit is brought or before controversy is instituted or spoken before a lawsuit is brought. This legal concept is important in understanding the admissibility of certain statements or declarations in court, particularly those made before any legal dispute has arisen. By examining this ante litem mortem, we can gain insights into how courts evaluate the reliability and authenticity of evidence, especially in cases involving ancient rights, pedigree, customs, etc. Thus, the term ante litem mortem denotes that statements or declarations made prior to any litigation or controversy are considered free from the biases and distortions that might arise once a legal dispute is anticipated or underway. This presumption of impartiality is vital in legal context where the authenticity and credibility of evidence are paramount. The next maxim today is bona vacantia. This means goods without an owner. These are also known as vacant goods or ownerless goods. And in legal term, this means a property which is left without any clear owner. The bona vacantia property may have been abandoned, mislaid or forgotten by the owner. It can also refer to a property which is left by someone who has died intestate without a will and has no known heirs. The next maxim is caveat. Caveat is a notice. It's a caution which is registered with the public court to indicate to the officials that they are not to act in the matter mentioned in the caveat without first giving notice to the caveator. So here we come to an end of another set of legal maxims in our part 7 of the video. I hope your preparation for SEBI legal exam and the upcoming law officer exam is going on well. If you are facing any trouble, if you have any doubts, you can mention them in the comment below. You can also check out our courses for various law officer exam preparation along with SEBI legal exam. To know more about the course offerings, you can visit our website. You can also reach out to us on this number or write to us at hello@iexamb.com. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.